Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download voice message in Discord. Let's get started. Open up your Discord application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, go to chat or server where the voice message was sent. Find the voice message you want to download and then press and hold on your voice message. A menu will pop up. Scroll down and here you'll be able to find save file. Tap onto it. And just like that, choose where you want to save that file. For example, I'm going to go ahead and simply tap on Save to Files. And then select Downloads and then tap on Save. Just like that, head back to your home screen. And inside here, simply open up your files. And then inside Downloads, you will be able to find that very voice message. That's it. That is how you can download a voice message on Discord. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.